Welcome to Current Medicine. Which Indian company got technology transfer of mRNA vaccine from WHO? After reviving a number of proposals from India, WHO Product Development of Vaccines Advisory Committee selected the Indian company. Which Indian company is that recipient of mRNA technology? WHO and partners will work with Indian government and recipient company to develop roadmap and put in place the necessary training and support so that the company can start producing mRNA vaccine. Primarily set up to address the COVID-19 emergency, the hub has the potential to expand manufacturing capacity for other products as well, including treatments and target other priorities such as malaria, HIV and cancer. WHO selected the company BiologicalE as the recipient of mRNA technology from the WHO Technology Transfer Hub. BiologicalE already manufactures a number of critical vaccines, including Corbevax, a second generation vaccine for COVID-19. This channel always try to bring you best medical information. To keep in touch, subscribe below. Like to encourage us. Thank you.